are dividing fractions. Dividing fractions. To divide fractions, you need to make sure everything fractions. So same thing. Must be fractions. Alright, must be fractions.
You write it on same paper?
Same paper. These are all notes. Yeah, same paper. Same day. Alright? Must be fractions. Rule 1. Multiply the reciprocal. Anybody know what reciprocal means? Flip. I heard somebody say it. Flip it. There you go. Flip. Alright, rule 2. Factor everything.
Everything. This
Factor everything. Rule 3. Divide out common factors. Or cancel. Rule 4. Multiply leftovers. Multiply your leftovers in the numerator and multiply leftovers where? Denominators. Have you heard these rules before?
Yeah.
You have, man. I ain't giving y'all new rules. The only rule that's changed is multiply the flip. And I'm going to show you what that means right now. Here we go. Here we go.
What is that thing beside multiply? What is that?
Right here.
On rule number 4.
Rule 4, multiply leftovers. The same thing we did up here. Multiply leftovers. All right, here we go. Reciprocal is this. The reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. Reciprocal means you're just going to flip the fraction. Here we go. 1 over 8 divided by 2/3. Now, division means to multiply reciprocal. That means when you rewrite the problem, you say 1 over 8, that part stay the same, but division changed to multiply, and how you flip 2 over 3? That's it. That's the only new thing you're doing. 3 over 2. Because you cannot flip what's on the left side of the division sign. It says, people used to learn keep, change. You multiply the flip. Only flip the fraction on the right hand side. Keep, change, flip. People do that too. I'm cool with that.
Keep,
So,
change, flip.
yeah. Yeah. So in division, you keep the first fraction, you change the sign of multiplication, and you flip the second fraction. So the only thing we did here, we flipping the fraction on the right hand side. And we do the same thing we just got done doing. Alright? Yeah, I like that. You keep saying I like that. Keep, change, flip. I like that. Alright? So here we go.
Oh, no, he was definitely there.
Rule 2 says factor everything. We can't factor nothing but the what? The 8. 8 is 4 times 2, and 4 factors to 2 times 2. So, I'm going to come over here. That's 1 over 8 times 3 over 2 is my new problem. I draw my long line. 1 is not prime or composite, so I'll bring it over. 3 is prime, so here we go. 8 is how many 2's? Try it again. 8 is, not 4 2's is 16. 8 is 3 2's. And there's a 2 down here, right here, right? Is there anything in common?
Nope.
Your answer is 3 over 16 because nothing cancels out. Alright? Let's try it again.
So you just giving the same thing, but a new step.
I'm just giving you the same thing. Just when you see division, flip the fraction on the right hand side and do the same thing again.
So if
Okay.
it's multiplication, you want to divide.
No, don't do that. It's just that only thing change is when you see division fractions, flip the fraction to the right hand side and do the same thing we just got done doing. I teach you rules that work every time. Let's do one more practice division.
Hold on, before you do the thing.
Okay. Let's do one more practice.
16.
Because 2 times 2 is what?
4.
What's 4 times 2?
8.
What's 8 times 2?
Oh,
See, some people say 2, 4, 6, 8. Don't do that. You're adding.
that's what I want to
You multiply.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you multiply. Here we go. Let's do one more practice.
I know, when I'm just.
Let's do one more practice. All right. So for this one more practice, we have, you got me? All right, 3 and 3, 4, divided by 2 and 5 over 6. So in division and multiplication, you got to make everybody a fraction. So how we change this first into a fraction?
Multiply.
Multiply, add the numerator. What's 4 times 3? 12 plus 3? So we got 15 over 4. Keep it a fraction, right? It's still divided because we can't flip until you change it to a fraction. Some people try to flip that 6 over 5. That ain't doing nothing. You got to change to a fraction first, then flip. So let's get that right. 6 times 2 plus 5. That's 12 plus 5 is what? 17 over 6. Now we can flip this fraction to the right hand side. So that'll be 15 over 4. Now it's times what? 6 over 17. Now you're doing the same thing we just got done doing. So 15 can be broken down because it is not prime. 15 is what time what? 5 times 3. 6 is not prime. 6 is what time what? 2 and 3. 4 is not prime. 4 is what? 2 times 2. And 17 is prime. So we come over here. 15, we say is 5 times 3. 6 is how much? 2 times 3. All right, at the bottom we have what? 2 and 2. I hear you, Pine Bluff. All right. Got me messing up going so good. That's 17 right there. All right, here we go. Now, what we seeing coming? This 2 and this 2. Anything else? Nothing else. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45. 2 times 17, 2 $17 bills is $34. Don't worry about it. It's an improper fraction. It's still a fraction. We good.